Morning. It started raining about midnight. I'm expecting it to rain all day, but I do have a warm shower toast and I'm only going about 45 kilometres. So it's not too bad, but it's a little bit annoying. I have a castle to see in the rain in Foix before I go very far. I'm climbing, but it's not the real climb. The real climb is tomorrow, but there's some climbing today. I've just spotted another slug. Time to pack away the tent in the rain. Okay, this is cool. There's two of these attachment bits, so this is a new experience with my new panniers. Okay, don't have to put the wet tent inside. Bonjour! Comment allez-vous? Closed. No castle today. It's probably a lovely place in other circumstances, but my feet are wet and the weather is miserable, which is a bit of a case of be careful what you wish for, because the wind is gone and instead I'm left with this low cloud and wet weather, but no wind, so that's what I wanted. Even though I'm climbing a bit now, it's actually much easier than yesterday on the flat because I'm not pushing against a headwind. I'll take a climb over a headwind any day of the week. Get out. Disgusting. Complaining because it's neither very windy nor properly raining, although a little bit of both. But I do hope I don't end up crossing the Pyrenees without actually properly seeing the Pyrenees. That would be disappointing. Andorra!